Okay, guys, let's get into the full training. So, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and please turn on the notification bell. Now, this is my hard account and it has been restricted. So, if I want to unrestrict it now, once you click on create, it's telling me that I can't create an ad because I've been restricted from advertising. So, all I need to do is to click on details. The details can be here or it can be another place. So, just click on see details. It's going to take you to another phase, which is the account quality. So all you need to do is to request for a review. But for my own, there are a lot of reasons why your account is being restricted. It might be because they want to confirm your identity. They want to be sure that you are the owner of the account. So that is what happens to my own case. So maybe you log into different devices. Maybe you have logged into more than three devices. So they are suspicious of your account. So they want to confirm. So all you need to do is come to confirm your identity, then you click on continue request for yours. But sometimes your own is going to be request a review, so all you need to do is to click on request a review. So but for my own, it's telling me to confirm my identity, which I have done. So I'm going to click on this blue button. So once I click that, it's going to take me to this interface. So let's just wait for it to load. So it's going to ask me to upload my my picture, my image, um which I'm going to do. So let's just wait for okay. So it's telling me to upload a photo of myself. So it wants to be sure I'm the owner. Sometimes they will ask for your ID card, the valid ID card can be your driving license, can be NIN, can be international passport. So any one of it. But this particular one is asking me to upload my picture there. I'm going to upload I'm going to click on this and it take me to my gallery. This is this laptop system gallery. So I'm going to upload one of my picture. So let me just search for it. So okay, so I pick this. So okay, now I'm trying to use this picture, but it's not accepting it. um so once you click on continue, it's telling me that my photo is too small. So if the picture is too small or white, it's going to reject it. So I'm going to upload another. I'm going to delete this particular picture, then upload another one to it. So let me upload another picture. So there are a lot of reasons why your account can be restricted. It can be because of late payment. Maybe you're unable to charge your account. So it can lead to restriction of accounts, or it can make them to disable your account. So I'm going to upload this particular one. So make sure, or maybe you violate a Facebook policy. So that's another reason why they can restrict your account. So just click on what? Continue. So that's a picture of mine. So I'm going to click on continue. So after you request for a review, it doesn't take much time. Within a few seconds or few minutes, they are going to what? um bring back your Facebook ad account back. So your account will be review requested. So thank you for completing the identity confirmation. So we're always looking. So that is just how to request for a review. So in your home, you can still request a review instead of confirm your identity. All you need to do is to click on request review, then follow it. If you're asked to upload your ID card, you do it. So that is how to request review. If I log into my account now, you will see that I can now run my ad now. I can run ad on my account. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please guys, just help me. This thing means a lot to me. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and please kindly like this video and hit the notification bell so that anytime we release video tutorial like this, you will be notified. So I'm going now. Look at this my ad account. Look at the create button. You can see that the create button now is deep, unlike the first time where it is very faint. So before, if I click on create button, it's not going. It's telling me that I'm not unable to run ad because it has been restricted. Now if I click on create button, because I've requested for a review, it's going to just once you click on it, it's going to bring the next phase out. You can see. So I click on the create button, there's bringing this out, that means my account has been reinstated, it has been unblocked, it has been unrestricted, so I can now run ad. Do you understand? So that is how to resolve your Facebook account being disabled or being restricted. So also make sure that you read Facebook policy before you run ads. Do you understand? So that you don't violate their policy. Those are the things they can make them to disable your account. Make sure that if you are using postpaid account, which is baby dollar account, make sure you have enough, enough fund, enough cash, enough in your card account. And if you are using prepaid, which is a naira account, make sure you use pay you so that you avoid issue with payment. Or when it comes to payments, payment PayU is the best option. So that is how to unrestrict your account.